So we're gonna replace the quarter window from 2004 G Liberty. These are the steps. First mistake that I made was trying to remove this part. This doesn't move. This goes together with the whole thing. So as you can see, I broke all these things. I'll fix it, but this goes together. The only thing you have to be doing is removing the screw that is in there, right there. It's a Phillips screw. You remove that, and then you're gonna remove one from down here, from the handle. So you just move the handle and then remove the screw from there, and then you just pull it back out. It has all these pins. There you go, and then you have two of them that goes the hook in there. Okay, for the rest it's just pulling. So just try to pull it. It's gonna sound very horrible when you're trying to do it. Oh, and when you're removing it, you're gonna remove the part right here for the handle. You're gonna remove this. You can use pliers just to gently open these so you can get it out. So that's how you're gonna do with that one. So don't make the mistake I made of removing that. That doesn't get removed. I'll glue it later. So now we're gonna remove the plastic cover to get inside. Like you can see, it's just the glue. It's already easy. I'm gonna remove this part. This is kind of flexible. I'm a little bit worried about this, but I hope it's good. Okay. Oh, and when you remove it, make sure you don't mess this up. These ones you can unscrew, I think, but I won't do that because it already went out, so it's fine. Just make sure you don't break this. So here we go. Just glue, and I have glue already in the garage for this kind of projects. So I'm gonna replace the glue after I'm done. You're just pulling the plastic out. Oh, we're gonna remove this too. This doesn't want to come out. So we're gonna remove the speakers. Something screws. If we can, there we go. One. Get on the loose first. It's very tight. Should be 3 of them. Hold on. Okay, so we're gonna remove 3 of them. And I'm doing all this by hand because if you use tools, you might mess up the screws. So I'm gonna do it by hand. 1. Oops. Let's put this. Okay, so that's 1. This one is 2. And 3. Go. Oops. There you go. Okay. 3 screws. Okay. Coming out. Right there. I'm gonna take this off out of the way. Just clip. Wow. It's like cheese. It's like Parmesan cheese. Melted. To be able to remove or to install the window back into the place here, what we have to do is we have to remove this piece right here. This is attached to the rubber part right here, like pushing, and it has a screw. So you remove the screw, which is this one, or the bolt, okay, using 11mm. This is an 11 one with the wrench, with the socket. Remove the screw, and then what we're doing right now is we're trying to put it without putting any lubricant on it, but it's too hard. So what I did, I just put some oil, normal oil, regular oil, at least to get it inside, and then when it's inside we can wash it or clean it. But this is gonna make it easier for us to put it back in. and then after we put back the window, then we're gonna replace the bracket again with the bolt, and it should work. So we're gonna go first down. Go first down because this is the shortest part, and then I'm gonna go push that way, and then we'll get it inside. Be very careful not to hit it with any piece of metal, just the rubber part. As you can see, it's sliding very nicely. Oops. Just make sure it goes slowly on it, so you don't break it. Let's see how I do it from here. It's hard. There you go. Go up and down. Get the oil in. There you go. It's going higher. Down again. Up again. Down again. Almost there. All right. Good. So now we have the window all the way up. Things that you have to do. Make sure you have oil or grease in this case. I use oil because that's the only thing I have. So I use grease around the area where you have the rubber in the inside. Like, come this way. You have to have oil or grease in here, inside. You see the behind the window, you can see a little bit of rubber. That has to get grease, so that way it can go all the way up. When you put in the window all the way up, you have to make sure that you grab something like this, and you're gonna go around the window. Come this way. You go under, and you go all the way up through the window, all the way up. That way you don't get any water, and you get a better seal, and the rubber is actually over the window, not behind the window. So you use this, and that's gonna make it easy for you to pull the window all the way up. When you're pulling it up, I'm putting one hand in front and one hand in the back, and just going up. My hands are all greasy right now, but yeah, and you can actually see it going up. Now you come this way. This is how far high you can go, where you have to go. You can see it right there. Now you can see my hand in the back. So this is how far you have to go with the window. It won't go. It will go higher than that. I don't think so. Nope, that's it. So now we're gonna use the bracket. Let's see if I remember. It should go. I think it's this way because it's gonna hold the window. Let me see. Let me go down, see if I can see it. I don't know if you can see the. Can you see it? A little better, maybe. See it? Okay. The bracket has to go all the way in. It's gonna be tricky because it has to go in between the rubber. Okay, so you got the bracket right here, this bracket. So I did it, and I went. Let's see if I can focus better. So it should be here. There you go. So you can see, you might be able to see. There you go. You see the bracket should be right there in the hole right there. That's where the bolt is gonna go in. I'm gonna put it in, and you're gonna see it. We're gonna put it inside. Okay, we're using, like I said. Yeah, it's right on. It's a 10 millimeter. Okay, that's what we're gonna use for this guy. Try to go in. There you go. Not too hard, not too soft. We just want enough to keep it in. It's not gonna move, I don't think. I'm gonna go a little bit more just in case. There you go. Okay, so it's in. So voila, that's the new window. Now we're gonna put back the speakers. This right here. We're gonna put back the cover, the white cover, plastic cover first, and then the speaker, and then I'm gonna place that back, and I'm gonna fix that thing that I broke with some glue that I have, plastic. Okay, so good. So that's how you replace a quarter window in the driver's side for a 2004 Jeep Liberty. If you guys, it's a Sport, right? Jeep Liberty Sport, I think it is. So that's how you replace it. ¿Sabes qué, por favor? Forgot this part. This goes up, and then the other guy goes out. If I find them. There you go. I forgot this guy right here. Oh no! Okay. We'll fix it. There you go. So anyway, it's like 3 minutes to drive. So we still have time. Okay, so good. Nothing happened. Everything is okay. What's up on this guy? This is... Okay, there you go. So all we need this one out, we need this one out. Before you glue this thing in, put them in so you can get this through that. And then put the glue on and seal it, and then go with the speaker. You know, live and learn. So that's still the thing that you have to think about when you're doing it. Okay, nice. So now we're gonna go to the part. Just snapping this into place. Okay, so you're gonna place that in there and click in the metal, the plastic part right there. It's a click, and then make sure this goes through here before you put it in. And when you put it in back in the panel, it has to go in. There's no up and down, it's just all of them has to go in. First, let me make sure this goes through and hope that none of these guys that are gonna stick in fall on the ground. I'm making sure everything is aligned and ready to go in. Here we go. That's me being gentle. There you go. What's up? It works. Looks like it works, so we're gonna try. Okay, let me go inside the car. Si no abre, me abre la puerta. Right? There you go. Yep, just make sure it opens. There you go. So then, this is the piece that I broke. I'm gonna put it back in, glue it. Here, the screw, which I don't like how it looks, so I might fix it. It goes in here. And then there's a screw that goes right here. And you're done. That's it. That's how you replace a quarter window on the driver's side, in the back. So subscribe, like, comments, ask questions. This Carlos Stan on YouTube. Thank you.